Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty today. Today is Sunday, it's the 21st of February. Little good news and a little bad news. First with the bad news, we ended up with a water heater leak. I did say water heater and not hot water heater. I've been reprimanded too many times for that. In the north building, the good news is it was on the first floor, not the second or third floor. Therefore, there wasn't a lot of damage, just strictly in the hall and the baseboards and so forth. And we got people from ORC to come in. These guys are very good. I've used them before in other applications. These guys really know what they're doing. They do a very, very nice job. With just a lot of water here on the first floor as you come in the right-hand side. And they brought in their heaters and their dehumidifiers and all the things that one does to get rid of the water. They took off the baseboards. They're checking the drywall. What's going on? What's this guy doing here?
So what he's doing right now is he's using the clean right extraction machine with the water claw attachment. What that does is it actually has little semicircles on the bottom of the attachment, and it pushes the carpet to where it creates a channel for all of the water to actually come up and go right into our extraction machine. And then that's what's able to come off the sanitary sewer and comes down the drain.
How much water do you think you got out of this so far?
Right now we've probably got at least 10 gallons.
Oh my goodness, right?
At least.
At least.
That's right.
So these guys are doing a really good job. They came in here yesterday. They took care of it. Came back again this morning to check on it. It was still a little wet, so they're continuing to keep all their equipment there. They said it'll probably be a couple of more days before they get it totally straightened out. Anyway, we're going to be talking about this at our next board meeting, which is coming up here next week. We'll tell you a little bit more about that at that time, but all is well here. Fortunately, Eagle Eye Gruttman was the one who found it, and fortunately he did, and we're all in good shape again.